This is my tutorial for a Hello Pumpkin Peekaboo glitter tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum white spray paint. Now we're ready to apply my buffalo plaid water slide. Normally when I do glitter peekaboos, I glitter everything by hand, but I was not trying to hand glitter a buffalo plaid design just to cover it up in the end, so we finna to cheat today, okay? When applying the water slide, I like to wet my tumbler first so my water slide will be able to move a bit on the surface so I can get it nice and straight. I'll include this buffalo plaid pattern with the Hello Pumpkin SVG for free. Just keep in mind that I made it with this hog 22 ounce straight in mind, so you'll have to resize it if you use it for something else. My inspiration for this design is this gorgeous fall wreath I saw on Pinterest. I thought it was absolutely beautiful, and I wanted to implement the black plaid with the look of the burlap and the pumpkins on a tumbler. If I haven't said it before, Pinterest is my go-to for all things inspiration. Lord, I wish Pinterest was around when I was a graphic designer. It would have made my life so much easier. Egads. As per usual, it's the epoxy method for me, but you can adhere your glitter any way you like. Let your glitter layer cure, seal with a coat of epoxy, then we'll be ready to add our stencils and faux burlap. For the pumpkin stencils, I went ahead and cut off the curly stems since they'll be covered by the outlines later. The pumpkins as well as the outlines will all be included with the Hello Pumpkin SVG in my Etsy shop. For the middle, I wanted to implement the texture of the burlap ribbon like on the wreath, so I dusted off this textured khaki adhesive wallpaper I purchased last year on Amazon. I was going to use it last fall for another design but ran out of time, but it was perfect for the look I wanted on this tumbler. forgot to hit record, y'all. I am so sorry. When I removed the vinyl and the tape, I thought I hit record, but I hadn't. Lord. Anyways, this is the end result. Let this layer cure, seal till smooth, and then we'll be ready to add our vinyl trim, outlines, and decal. Is a sample of one of the outlines. I'm going to do the rest of my lap because it's kind of hard to see, so it's kind of going to go fast here. Yeah, all done. Moving on. I was going to seal my tumbler after I added the pumpkin outlines, but I decided not to, but you can absolutely do so if you like. Before I add a layer of epoxy, I'm going to seal my vinyl with Quick Coat from CC DIY just to make sure none of my vinyl raises up. Now you can go ahead and seal and be done, but of course I wanted to add some extra sparkle, and I also wanted to add in some more orangey color to my green, and Marigold was perfect. You don't have to, of course, but extra glitter is my middle name after all. I let this layer cure, then I sealed with one more coat of epoxy, and then I was all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my Patreon and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your Hello Pumpkin Peekaboo glitter tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!